If you were looking for instructions on how to warm up your cleaning solution from the Best Printers cleaning kit, you have found the right video. Stay tuned and we'll get right into it. Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another Best Printers cleaning kit video. You probably were directed to this video because you need to warm up your cleaning solution, basically that 100 milliliter bottle that comes in this kit. This bottle right here that has 100 milliliters. And the reason why you're needing to warm it up is because your syringe is full of the solution. You're trying to push it into your print head and it's just not budging. It feels really tense and you're not getting any solution through at all. I've been there many times. A lot of the printers I deal with, it's the same issue. Don't worry, all you need to do is warm up the solution. I'm gonna show you how to do it here with a pan of water and a gas stove. If you have an electrical stove, it doesn't matter. This is gonna apply the same way. But if this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all about this process, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. All right, so we're gonna take our pan. You wanna make sure that it's deep enough. You wanna make sure that it's wide enough for this cleaning solution bottle. And so coming to the kit, you're gonna remove that cleaning solution bottle from the packaging, and this is what we're going to be placing in the pan. You want to measure it before you add any water so that you can make sure that it is going to fit in there so that it's able to warm properly. You don't want something too small, and something a little too big probably will take longer to warm up. So something about this size is what you'll want, and you're going to want to fill this pan up, I would say close to the brim with water. You're going to lose some of the water with some of the heat and the bubbles that are going to be created from the heat. So once you've got your water, you're going to then place your pan with the water on top of the stove, and you really want to set initially your flame or your temperature to the highest level. So one of the goals here is to get this water pretty hot. You want to see it bubbling up, you want to see some heat being produced and some steam producing before you actually even apply the cleaning solution bottle. So I would let this sit here for about 5 minutes. That's roughly what I did to get it hot enough. Once you see some bubbles beginning to form, you can then add the cleaning solution bottle into the pan. And you're going to want to leave the bottle in there for about 3 minutes. 3 minutes is the perfect amount of time. You can go a little bit more than that to get it a little bit more hot, but you don't really want to do less than that because you do want to do this right the first time so that you don't have to come back and do it again, of course. So you want to treat this cleaning solution bottle like you would be heating anything else up. So you want to get some plastic spoon to move it around so that you make sure that the whole bottle is getting heated up, because there are some parts of it that will stick out just because there is an air pocket in the bottle, and that is going to allow it to lift up. So you want to kind of hold it under at certain points, you know, it sticking out is not the biggest deal in the world, but just the point here is to make sure that it is getting properly warmed up. Once it's been about 3 minutes, you can then take the bottle out of the pan. Now again, the reason why we're doing this is because the print head that you're working on, one of the nozzles or all of the nozzles are totally so clogged or dried up to the point where when you apply the cleaning fluid with regular temperature, it's not really budging, it's not really breaking up. And so you need to apply this hot solution, because that hot solution is going to be able to break up that blockage and get you back up and printing normally again. I hope that this video helped you in showing you how to warm up the Best Printers cleaning kit solution bottle. Again, if this video was helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below, and if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. That's really all I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.